There we go. Hope everybody's doing well. I think the music is fine. There we go. I think the background music is okay. I don't know if you can hear it, but you know, there's a Danny. How you doing, my man? What's up? Are we enjoying the show? Are we enjoying the show? Bitcoin, just like that. 101k, man. Just like that. Just like that. Technically not over there. It's down here. There we go. 101,055 on Bybit. But, you know, if you remember down here, in the last video, I did say that, you know, it looks like it's gonna go down. No, not happening. Even I thought over here, yeah, this is gonna, you know, all go over here and, you know, break down here, and, you know, there is very good probability for, you know, move down. No. Bam. We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. I don't know if you know, but we're going to the moon because altcoins dumped down 20, 30, 40, 50%. Bitcoin didn't. The biggest dump Bitcoin did over here, that's the dump. That's a 13% dump. And after that, it could not even do that. It could not even do that. I mean, it did, you know, 8% over here. That's it. That's it. No more. That's all the Bitcoin can do, man. 8% dump. And it's going again. Not only that, guys, do you see this? Tesla is up all-time high right now. Not this one over here. Why is this number one over here? It should be this one. Tesla is all-time high, guys. Tesla is all-time high. All-time high. 420. I know. 420.69. No effing way, man. No effing way. No effing way. I gotta screenshot this. I gotta screenshot this and post on the X, man. No effing way, man. Prophecy has come true. Hashtag Tesla. Hashtag Elon Musk at Musk at hashtag 42069. You're gonna get these hashtags, you know, 42069. You cannot do hashtag 42069. Doesn't matter. What tokens are you all riding back up? Everything, man. We back, baby. How you doing, man? Doing well, doing well. 42069, guys. 42069. Tesla stock price right now 420.69. New moon coming. Nah, it's not new moon, it's full moon. I don't know, how do you not know this, man? Let me go over here for a second. I gotta do that thing again, doesn't matter. Next full moon. Space. Do we have it here? Next full moon will be Sunday, December 15. 9 p.m. Central European time. Chamal, that must be Elon selling at that price. Must be him. Must be him. 15th, yeah, but it's full moon, it's not new moon. Yeah, there is difference, there is big difference. Yeah, you see over here, that's Elon selling right now. See, Bitcoin, he's also selling Bitcoin at the same time. Look at this doji, man. Isn't this beautiful, man? Look at this doji over here. This on the weekly time frame. So we still have time to, you know, make this candle, green candle up here. Like Bitcoin definitely bounced big time over here. Last resistance level to close on the daily. This is daily resistance level 101.179. Will we do that? Like, it's a beautiful candle. Like, you gotta, see. My bad, I meant this. It's a beautiful candle, man. It's a beautiful candle. Looks good, looks nice. Looks good, looks nice. By the way, guys, we gotta take 1 minute break because reasons. There we go, there we go, there we go. Guys, we still got, 255 on our account. The question is, what are we gonna trade? What are we gonna trade today? Yeah, I think this is still broken. No, this is stop trending. This is broken. Like, no, we got a new stuff on trending. Me USDT. What is me? See 4 hourly candle up here. I understand why it's trending. I mean, this explode towards upside. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Look at Bitcoin go, guys. Bitcoin has no breaks. Bitcoin literally has no breaks. Look at that move, man. Look at that move. No breaks, man. No breaks. Retesting that line, man. Retesting, bouncing off the line. So beautiful. Sui is up. Let's go on the daily time frame. That up here. Let's go to the 4 hourly. One actually looks nice over here. Should we just long harmony one? I don't know, it's down here at the bottom of this range up here. It's just been consolidating. This kind of looks like it broke out over here. Then you got a this bigger move over here. How's this move up here towards stop? Is this broken? Yeah, it is broken. See daily. Still 4 hours left. The break up here is bullish. Yeah, it's pulling back, but it did break it. See we clearly here. I'm not a big fan, but on the weekly time frame over here. 12 hours up here, just been 6 7. Bottom doji down there. 4 hours more to go. It might take a little while. I'm not a bit unsure whether this is ready now, but it's sitting down on support levels though. Look how nicely it's been climbing over here. I think I want a long harmony one, you know, and we're gonna do it without, you know, where is it? Harmony one. I should follow instructions through all of it. You can have much more isolated. I should have followed instructions. We have margin trading isolate margin mode. Okay. Want to leave on the able to. Should really throw out the first time margin cross trade. Why are you asking me about trading? Acknowledge and agree. You cannot enable margin trading in isolated mode. Yes. Perpetual. 1. Oh, that is perpetual. Okay, okay, okay. I think I just clicked on spot or something like that, right? I think I can do it now. How do I get these? Isolated. Yeah, it works. Yeah, it's okay. Melding or retrieve back. It's fine. Where's my stuff? A little bit up here. 1 hour. Hourly can't closing. 30 minutes up here closing. It's gonna bring it down to the support level though, right? For a retest. It bounced off the retest. Now let's just long it, and you know, if it goes down over here, then you know 1%, you know, whatever. Sorry for all over here. Did 4 hourly just close? Yeah, 4 hourly just closed. Oh, it's bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. It's bounce to bounce. Let's go along. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I'm in time from over here. Came up here, failed. Let's look a little bit small time frames over here. A long time no see. Hope you're doing well. The noob. Hello. How you doing, man? Yeah, we're doing well, man. We're doing well. I mean, how can you not be doing well? Bitcoin is at 101k. How can you not be doing well? Top of the range. I'm gonna you know, play the, you know, breakout strategy over here. It looks good. I mean, it is at resistance level or whatnot, right? So I can continue down. It would be better to find something that's already going down, right? It would be better to find something that's already going down. But this looks nice. I like these dojis up here. It's failing to break down. You know, it's failing to break down. It looks bullish. Yeah, we're gonna play breakout traders. Why not? There we go. We got a long all the way. We could have a long over there on all the way down here, but right now, you know, we have a long all the way up here, you know, at resistance level. Mental stop loss, and we're gonna see how this plays out. One minute time frame, 5 minutes up here. Let's see, 5 minutes we got a big doji, big bearish doji over here. XRP is not doing that well. It's only up 2% right now. You know, where everything else is up like 4, 5, 10%. XRP only up, you know, 2%. Short XRP. I don't know about shorting it though. I don't know about shorting it. This is a beautiful, beautiful channel. I mean, it is at resistance, you know. So, you know, shorting over here is, you know, what most people would do. Or, you know, traders do. But what if it breaks? It's a nice bull flag. It's a nice bull flag. That's always nice. We got a turbing. If you go to the monthly time on turbo and you look at it on a logarithmic chart, not weekly time on turbo, this looks nice, man. Why am I looking stuff on a logarithmic chart? I don't know. How about Link? Use buy stop short XRP. How about Link? Let's check out Link right now. 7.8% up. Link is doing well, man. It bounced up here above the moving average. Right now, still going up here on the weekly time frame. I mean, everything had this, you know, pullback towards downside, but that's not a problem. Like when you look at it, in a big picture, right over here, there was consolidation up here, it broke over here, got above the moving averages, pulled back a little bit right now, hitting this resistance level up here, try to get up here, go over here, then break that, and go towards moon, right? But there is another line right now that's more interesting than the bottom down, and that's this one over here. It goes something like this over here, but it looks like it actually broke that. That was actually interesting from long before. Let's just do the bottom and the top over here. No, I can't do that because this line is just too nice. On the bottom side, like this line over here. This one or this one, give or take. This one looks nice. Kind of broke that up here. Try to break it. Still looking like he wants to get out of this channel. Good luck. Jasmine looks good. Jasmine. Where's Jasmine? Oh, crypto Jasmine. Wow. I don't know if it looks good right now. I mean, on the weekly time frame, everything looks good. Guys, it's only the small time frames that looks a little bit bad. But, you know, weekly time frames look, you know, juicy. Juicy as F, man. Juicy as F. Coty looks good for a short. Why would you short Coty? I had this nice build up here, drop down, right now recovering. Nah, it doesn't look good for a short. Because it already had liquidity pickup, right? And right now it has this, you know, can you say that there is this line up here, give or take, because of these stops over here. So right now it doesn't look that juicy for a short. Not only that, it's coming up here to this stop up here, and it still hasn't, you know, it could do a little bit more. I mean, this is a pretty big move, right? Yeah, 5% move down. But it looks like he wants to, you know, break this level over here. Sui! What's Sui doing right now? Binance. Yeah, so he's just pumping like, you know, look at his peak on the downside, man. Pulled back all the way down to the bottom support levels. Bounce right now it's still going to continue. This looks bullish like crazy. But Bitcoin is doing something like similar, right? Bitcoin is also doing that, you know, that big juicy week on downside. Do you think Bitcoin is gonna crash again, like a week? It was king. You didn't buy the dip. Oh no, he did not, guys. He did not buy the dip. He did not buy the dip. Did you at least buy the, you know, altcoins dips, man? I can understand that you didn't want to buy, you know, Bitcoin dip because you wait for 20%, but altcoins did like 30-40%, man. Did you buy any kind of dip? Did you buy any kind of dip? I mean, people are begging for a dip. People are literally begging. Oh, please, just give me any kind of dip. Look at this over here. This is Kava. Let's go daily time frame. And you know, when we start going up here, like over here, there was small dip, small, like, yeah, but I just want a dip. Then you get a dip, and nobody buys the dip. Bought meme coin. That's one way to do it. What kind of meme coins did you buy? What do we have right now? TLM up 10% on the day. L is up 10. Cedus up. Vif Pepe. There is a coin called Vif Pepe. Dog Vif Pepe. Dog Vif Pepe. Is that the one? Is that the one? Coin cap. Vif Pepe. Pepe V hat. You bought this? Pepe V hat with red hat. It's probably this one. Vif and Pepe. Oh yeah, you bought two. You bought Vif and Pepe. Oh, okay, get it. I got it over here. Where is Vif and Pepe? There is Pepe right now, bouncing very, very nicely. And Vif is also up 7%, but pulling back. Pull back down to 10 moving average up here. Pepe couldn't even pull back down to 10 moving average. Anyway, we're losing money, guys. We're losing money. We shorted the... How do I do this every single time? How am I so good at longing the resistance levels, man? How am I so good at longing the resistance levels? What is wrong with me, man? Every single time. Nah, it's not gonna do 7% up, dump down. Nah, we good. We just need to wait a little bit, right? You're gonna put all the way up there, something, you know, say this is, you know, long entry. Unfortunately, long entry. Liquidation should be somewhere around 7-8% over here, give or take. That's the liquidation part, right? Nah, we good. I think we good. 7-8% all the way down there. Damn, that's long. It's a long way down. Down $50, man. Already. Beef and pepper. Is the music too loud? I think the music was too loud. Sorry about that. There we go. A little bit better. I'm never trading again, guys. I'm never trading again. F this S, man. F this S, man. Just doing this part over here right now. On the literal top. Okay, technically that's over here, but not literal top up here. But yeah, technically literally top. Long the literal top. 5 minute time frame. Is there any hope for 5 minute time frame? Nah. Maybe down here. The bottom. It looks like it's more like this over here. unfortunately, just wait time. Unfortunately, just wait time. What more is actually happening over here? Ethereum. What is Ethereum doing? Long the resistance classic. Yeah. Are you still counter trading me like everybody else in the chat? I think people should counter trade me like, you know, big time. You know, I long, you short. I short, you long. I think you cannot fail that way. I think you cannot fail that way. Weekly looks juicy, man. Look here, look here. Also over here, we had a big dump, big dump over here, right? There was a 30% dump, pulled back, then we had another dump after that, pulled back, and then we just continue, you know, bouncing. So these big dumps do happen, guys. Big dumps do happen. So tired holding XRP back since last bear market, and now I have started hating. How can you hate XRP right now? I mean, XRP is up like, you know, since last bear market like this. I mean, if you held it since over here, you're up something like, you know, 7, not only that, you should be up like 10% if you held it over here. 10x, not 10%. If you held it from before over here, you should be even more up. Like if you held it from over here, you should be up something like, I don't know, you know, 20x, 27x from, you know, previous bear market. How can you hate XRP when you're up so much, man? How can we hate XRP when we're up so much? Do you know there is this show on Netflix called Arcane? Did anybody see this? Is this any good? Watch Arcane. It's about, you know, it's about League of Legends and stuff like that. I don't know. So I was thinking maybe I'm gonna watch that because everybody 589 meme. Maybe one day, who knows? Maybe one day, who knows? I was thinking I'm gonna go watch that with my wife, you know. I'm not really... Arcane is good. Did you watch it? Is it good? I don't know. I wanna watch it because everybody says it's good. I don't wanna watch it because I wanna watch, you know, because it has a great story and I have no clue what's happening, but everybody says it's good. So I was like, if everybody says it's good, maybe it's good. I don't know. I don't have anything better to do, right? Do you know what? I actually said in the chat a little bit earlier that I hate the bull market. And it's not because, you know, oh, I didn't buy anything like that, no. I hate the bull market because I cannot focus on anything else. Like I came home after work right now, I'm tired, I just want to sit down, put some, you know, nice lofi on, sit down and, you know, do some, you know, programming, make my game, whatever, right? And I cannot focus because I'm thinking charts all over. So that's why I came over here right now and I was like, you know what, we're just gonna stream and talk about the charts. Hey man, didn't see you since last bull. No, I didn't see you since the last bull. Like I was here all the time, man. I was here all the time. Yeah, YouTube just didn't, you know, YouTube just didn't promote me well enough. How much we done? 8%, 20 bucks. Yeah, that's good enough. We failed this one. I hate going against me, you know, right off the bat. Let me see, is there any kind of, you know, support over here? Dare to close to accept the loss and trade other crypto. Let's give the man some likes. Nah, I will close like, you know, I'm just looking at, you know, is there any kind of, you know, hopium over here right now, or are we just, you know, because over here was a big flush over here, and right now it's doing this over here. Part over here, so I might actually do another move towards upside. So let's give it a little bit, you know, a little bit room, a little bit space, and not close down the bottom as well. You know, a little bit space. Ooh. Okay, let's watch this 5-minute chart because it bounced off the 20 moving average. But it's not doing anything worthwhile. It was bad entry, like it was terrible entry. Right now we're down 8%. Can lose even more than that, you know. Do we have one USDT on Bybit? Sources. Bybit. It's even worse over here. Can you watch like 1 second up here? You know, the trading is so low, the volume is so low that you have these, you know, zigzags up here. It's just bots. These are just bots. How much to 1 million so far? 999,745, give or take. Well, we got bounce off the support level on 5 seconds. Maybe, man, we should be trading, you know, these 5 seconds, you know, 5 seconds charts. Yeah. See support. You long the support. See resistance. You short the resistance. But it can break the resistance. Yeah, but before it breaks, it's gonna go down first. Every chart is the same, guys. Bullish. Imagine everything being bullish and we go long and we cannot make money. Everybody makes money. Price goes up, everything, and then we come in. Nah, we're gonna long and it goes down. Dodge or Flocky, which is better? Well, when it comes to Flocky, let's go to Flocky. When it comes to Flocky, it's 2.3 billion market cap. Baby Flocky, Baby Moon Flocky, what is this crazy Flocky? Baby Moon Flocky. You know, it's 2.3 million market, but if you look at Dodge, it's 61.4 billion market cap. I don't know, man. I think if you got, you know, couple of, you know, billions on the side, I think it should be Dogecoin. The partner government efficiency is only 224. It's not actually only, but you got a Dodge up here and Dodge there, Dodge KS bill, Dodge this, Dodge that. Oh, look at that. We're no longer down 8%. Right now, we're only down 2%, which is nice. Cannot complain. Let's see, 15-minute time frame. Ooh, nice bounce. Maybe time to go. Is it gonna go, guys? Is it gonna go? Resistance, level di resistanza. I mean, it is on the dollar on the resistance level, right? 3504, 3504. Oh, there we go. Above that, nice. And pullback. Went 1000 in ENA. What is ENA? Let's check out ENA. What is ENA? ENA. Ethena 53, 2.9 billion market. Wow, that's actually. But there is also this Ethena IOUs. It's not the same. Ethena USDT. What is Ethena? 2.3 billion market. I don't know. Never heard about Ethena. First time I hear about Ethena. New coin, nice, very nice, new coin, but new coin at 2.3 billion, 9 billion in market cap, I don't know, something sketchy. It is on Bybit though, and it's on Qcoin, which is nice. I don't know what Ethena is, website. Enabling internet money. Synthetic dollar with internet native yield. So if this is not a scam, I don't know what it is. Stake it, 27% APY. Oh man, this is gonna be next Luna, man. TVL, 5.62 billion. APY, 27 billion. Users. Is this just wallets? Because, you know, use your multiple wallets. Let's go to DeFi Llama. I like DeFi Llama. Because on DeFi Llama, we can find anything. What was the name of this thing over here? Ethena. Ethena, let's check it out. Wow, 5 billion, actually 5 billion in TVL, 5 billion market cap and a price, volume. Let's just see volume. Tweets, a lot of tweets right now. And this is, you know, total TVL. Let's go to over here. Who's most TVL? Lido, 5 chains. Why is Lido has, you know, 37.5 billion? This protocol deposited into another protocol is under liquid staking category, so it is subtracted from total TVL because no clue what it's here. AV 21, Agar layer, Ether 5. Chains, we want to see chains. What chains has the most protocols? Ethereum. People think Ethereum is gonna die. It has 1,200 protocols, man. People think the BNB is gonna die. It got 800 protocols, man. Active addresses. Solana. I wanna know where Cardano is. Cardano is only 53,000 addresses. Solana 4.8, Tron 2.3, Base 1.3. I mean, if Cardano wants to get mass adoption, it should get up here, you know, above 1 million. Even Bitcoin is above it. Yeah, 1 million addresses. Polygon. TVL, let's see TVL. On Ethereum, TVL, 75 billion. If you guys think Ethereum is gonna die, you gotta be crazy. Imagine, you know, a chain that's been around forever, you know, 75 billion in total value locked. It's gonna die, no. Look, number 2 is only 9, Solana. Tron, that's why Tron is actually pumping, because it's all the way up there, base up. But what you're gonna see up here right now, the problem is that Cardano is low. You know, Cardano looks bullish, but it's low. So, you know, it needs to do something to get up there. When people start looking, even Pulse Chain has more than Cardano. How can Pulse Chain have more liquidity locked than Cardano? Let's see Pulse Chain over here. TVL explode up here. Volume goes towards upside. By the way, how is Pulse Chain doing? Pulsechain.com. You can go to Go Pulse, and right now it's 0.8 times X, 0.6 times X. So it's still down from the launch. Still down from the launch. Kasu is a hidden gem. Is Kasu a chain? What is Kasu? By the way, let's check out, you know, our coin. Wow. Wow. Give me a break, man. Wow. That's bad, man. That's bad. Is this 5 minute time frame? What was this? 1 minute time frame? 10 minutes, 15 minutes up here. Wow. Oh man. It just came up there like bam, right back down below everything again. Broke the support level over here. Lower low over here, crossing down, overextend a little bit. Looks like it's gonna push, trying to break down. 1 hourly closing in 10 minutes. Wait, what? You know what? We're gonna let it go for 10 minutes just to see this hourly close. We're gonna let it go for 10 minutes just to see how it close. Let's go to Kasu. What's Kasu? What does Kasu do? Kasumi. Oh, it's Kasumi. But no, it's not Kasumi. Is it Kasu? Is this the Kasu? Kasu. Is Kasu Kasumi? I don't know. You gotta tell me. Cryptocurrency or Kasu. Kasumi. It doesn't seem like. Yeah, I don't think it's this one. Is this one? Kasumi is not verified. I don't know what this is. Well, something pumped up here and dropped down big heavily towards the downside. I don't know what that is. But there is definitely no Kasu. Kasu is non-existent. No. What do we say? We're gonna give it 10 minutes to see whether this actually holds, because these are actually bullish. If it can actually hold the green, that's very, very bullish. I don't know if you guys know, but that's very, very bullish. So you're gonna get a little bit of time. Let's take 5-minute break, and when you come back, you know, it's probably gonna 5 minutes, and we're gonna look at it. You know, Kaspa, Kasu. Is Kaspa Kasu? Okay, Kaspa. I don't know if Kaspa is a hidden gem, because everybody knows about it. You know, a hidden gem by definition should be something, you know, very, very, very few people know about. You know, nobody talks about. That's a hidden gem. But Kaspa, I don't know, man. I don't know about hidden gem part. Well, we are not liquidated just yet. Life's good. As long as we don't get liquidated, life is good, right guys? It bounced over here on the bottom, so you're gonna see. You're gonna wait and see. Down here on support level is bouncing again. Staying higher high, lower low. All kind of crazy things. But it's 1 hour, it's gonna close in 2 minutes. 4 hour is just, you know, started up there. 4 hour actually looks bad. But it got a higher high on the 4 hourly. High and high high on the 4 hourly. But it could do, you know, low, low, low over here as well, and then bounce. You know, and this low is actually gonna get us liquidated if that happens. Let's wait for this hourly, see how this ends. 2 more minutes. Life. Well, it's bouncing at least, which is nice. One hourly. 50 seconds left. I think it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. These 3 weeks of tops up here, they're very nice. Nice bounce. Nice, nice, nice. 30 seconds left for hourly close. Is the 5 minute gonna also close above the 10 moving average? Over here. Also, there is this, you know, support level. You can see up here we went through the support over here. This was support level, previous support. And then we went through that, tapped this line on the bottom side on the dollar, and right now bouncing off of that, right back above the support level. 8 seconds left. How high can it go? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, let's see. Close below. Went down. Anyways, 1 hourly looks nice though. Just goes down from the opening, which is good. Can let it go a little bit. Pushing back a little bit and up we go. There we go. You know, but down here would be nice, you know, long position on the support. Then even if you go down, then you can exit this position, right? Stuff happens. Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin gonna make a, you know, higher low, higher high on the chart? Let's look at a weekly over here. It looks juicy though, it looks juicy. But this part up here looks like it's gonna dump a little bit over here. Fails to go up here above the level. How can you not break anything, man? How can you not break anything? What's up? 1. We should just be looking at, you know, these big time frames. Then we don't have to stress so much. You know, when you're looking at big time frames, you always so much stress. Like, what's gonna happen? It's gonna break. It's not gonna break. What's gonna happen? On small time frames, but big time frames is easy. Takes a while to play out. One minute. Man. Should we talk about my game? I'm making a game, Civilization. It's gonna be next Civilization at one point. It's my graph card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 470 Ti. Should not have bought Ti, but you know, I didn't know better when it was actually happening. This is just bleed on 1 minute time frame. We need to focus we need to focus less on 1 minute time frame and more something else. So what I'm doing over here, I got a double hexagons, and these yellow outlines is where the rivers are supposed to start. So it is a river starting locations, right? And the problem is these, because I got double layered hexagons, so you got a big hexagon, small hexagons, and these shared small hexagons are a problem because it assumes this is the edge, and this is not the edge, this is the edge. So I need to change these to be, you know, just one type of hexagon. One type of hexagon. So I think I know how to do that, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see, because you can see over here, like, you know, there is a hexes in hexes. There's so many hexes. This isn't bouncing, guys. This isn't bouncing. Okay, you read it, you know, you went down, fine, you go up there, you retest that, double bottom, and then you go towards upside, right? How many times are you gonna retest stuff, man? And on top side over here, we don't have actually any kind of wick. Like over here, there was a little bit weak, and then you just go no wick up here. Do I need divergence or anything like that? Nah, no divergence. This is bearish engulfing. No. Let's go to big time frames. Let's go clean up everything. This is not a legitimate chart. Yeah, 4 hour looks bad. Like 1 hour looks okay-ish. Take a look at that. But 4 hour looks better. Worse. Let's invert the chart. I mean, if this goes, you know, all the way down there, then it's bad. No, it's so good because you can go up there. It's kind of broke. That broke. That means that you got a new line over here or something like this. Right now that broke. Right now it's consolidating over here, which looks good, but it is going down on the small time frames. How much are we down so far? 11%, 80 bucks. We got a doji over here. This is actually quite bad doji because there is this red candle over here. It should actually bounce, but didn't bounce. Didn't we draw a line over here, something like this over here? Yeah, that's getting broken as well. Nah, it's right over here. But I really just started. It's only 8 minutes in. Just the very first candle. 10 minutes gonna close soon. Wow. It's literally breaking everything. Even the down here we got a, you know, support level over here. How much have we done? 14%, 37 bucks. I think we need to take the loss, man. But it's so low down, so low down. Let's just clean the chart. I hope we don't have to, you know, sit and watch this, you know, for another, you know, 2-3 hours, because that's gonna be very, very boring. It came above that level, right? It didn't come up here above this one over here. 4 hourly. Up there, 1 hourly. Down, down. This one over here. 30 minutes. Up there. 15 minutes. Up there. Not this one. There. There. Anything else? I can just do this and just remove these. The box of resistance failed to break every single box, literally every single box. Look here, this week over here. Whatever there was up there, it failed to do that. Well, I got a little bit bounce, which is hopeful. Always buy on top consistency. It is true. It is true. We are very, you know, buy the top kind of trader over here. I don't have patience. You know, it's you know, over here it's going up. You know, you could wait for a move down, then buy some kind of support and go up, whatever, right? But you know, it's up here like if it in case it breaks, let's just go long. You know, and then does this over here, right? Buy high, sell low. No, we buy high and we, you know, mental stop loss until you're in profit again. You know, that kind of thing. But this line looks nice. I mean, it's down here at the bottom again, right? And then there is, if you remove the moving average up here a little bit, there is also this line over here, which kind of looks like it's getting broken. Maybe if this one over here is not kind of getting broken. There we go. Maybe the dump is over. Nope, the dump's not over yet. I'm looking to see whether when this yellow line is gonna get broken, but it's not getting broken. There we go. Maybe it's right now getting broken. Maybe this was the last thing. Let's see the volume up here. Ah, there was a big volume up here on this car. There should have been a big volume over here, but there was not big volume down there. I mean, there is literally no volume over here, and in the entire move down, like there is very, very low volume. So if you want to break that down, you gotta do better than that. But you gotta bounce again. But now the bounce needs to do something insane. See up here, this was a, you know, big candle on the top up here, where, you know, we longed up here somewhere, right? On this candle, that's a slowing, and then went down. Then went up here, we didn't get out, and right back down again. But you know, And then go towards upside. I think Peanut got listed on Coinbase today. How's Peanut doing? Peanut is an old friend of ours. I don't know, if he got listed today, you know, when today? Maybe earlier today. Maybe this is the pump on Peanut today. 23%, but everything is up like, you know, 10% plus. Why? Because everything dumped, you know, everything dumped down like 30-40% not so long ago. So look at it pump, man, look at it pump. Okay, we're getting back into that blue zone again. You know, the blue zone is where all the resistance level are. It needs to get broken. And you know, we are pumping, boys, we're pumping. And we're gonna see if just for how long over here, because we don't have any kind of, you know, bullish divergence. We got nothing. No overextensions, no nothing. 1 hourly sitting, just, you know, just chilling over here, consolidating this move towards the upside up here. 4 hourly looking to get this bullish cross over here. Besides that, yeah, it does look nice. I mean, 4 hourly looks nice. It went down here, broke the trend up here, pulled back a little bit. It looks nice. I mean, it looks nice, you know. Entry is the big thing. Yeah, if you fail the entry, are you even trader? Are you even trying? If you fail the entry, you gotta nail those entries, right? Because the good traders, they're, you know, short resistance level and long support levels, and you know, people who long down here, you know, they're getting this. The people long down here are right now waiting to get, you know, get back up here, and then, you know, new shorters are gonna come, and then it goes down here again. These lines indicator are shit. Just toss a coin and gamble for buy sell. I mean, I'm pretty sure that could have, you know, played out better than this is playing out. I mean, if I just tossed a coin, I mean, there is something about tossing a coin and, you know, going long and short. And the reason for that is, if you toss a coin, there is no emotions, you know, there is zero emotions. You know, it can go up, it can go down. There is that. But the question is, when do you toss a coin? Do you just toss a coin, you know, randomly and just go long, or do you wait for the resistance level and then toss a coin? Do I short it or do I long it? Right? Nothing in the chat. How is our 1 hourly looking right now? I mean, right now our 1 hourly is looking good, guys. 1 hourly is looking good. It's dodgy, it pulled back, it's climbing higher, it looks nice. Oh, what do we have on the 10-minute time frame up here? This 50-minute time frame actually managed to, you know, pump up here back above the moving average again. We don't trust even withdraw support and resist. Yeah, you know, we do that. We like, okay, here's the resistance level, I'm gonna short it here, and when the price comes up here, like nah, maybe I should go long. Life. It gets you all, you know, messed up. But this candle looks nice. This candle looks nice. They look nice. So I think we should wait. It's okay. It's not my money, guys. It's not my money. I know it says, you know, 240 bucks, but you know, my money is 180. Everything above 180 is not my money. You know, above 180, you know, that's somebody else's money. That's definitely not my money. You know, so we are playing with somebody else's money. It's not our money. But even on 4 hours, it looks like it's nicely climbing up here, and you know, it's managed to get up a little bit of resistance level over here. And 5 minutes up here looks nice though. There is a good chance to get it back above the, you know, resistance level 0.33. Is Bitcoin dominance breaking down? Technically both yes and no. It did a retest though. It did a retest right over here. The big move towards upside, it did a retest. But it is, you know, it technically should be breaking down, because this move up here already broke down. Right now it's a retest, but you know, Technically it's pretty much broken right now. Right now we're looking for this move down. Let me see over here, how long does this move down last? From December all the way to May. This is how many days? This is weekly. How many weeks? 20 weeks. 20 weeks from over here towards the downside. So if you assume it's gonna be 20 weeks, that means that, you know, we should be down somewhere around April. End of the bull market. April again. Or top of the bull market. However you want to look at it, right? Nah, it's doing the zigzag up here at the top. There is a small channel up here, needs to break. But if it breaks down up here, it's gonna go do this over here. Oh man. Play roulette and bet on black nowadays. Better than crypto. I mean, I don't think it's better than crypto, but it's better than my trading. I can tell you that right now. Anything is better, like, you know, tossing a coin, tarot cards, like anything is better than my trading. But it did nice pump over here. It did nice pump. I'm gonna give it that. Like, it did nice pump, try break, pull up, try break, went down. Right now it's going to try again. But it's curving over here, like on small time frames. It's curving. It's curving, man. It's curving. So let's go back and look at this 1 hourly time frame. 40 minutes left for that. Let's see 30 minutes over here. I mean, it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Hope is alive. Definitely alive. Hope is definitely alive. And that's the only thing we got left, right? Oftentimes when you're down in the dump and you know, nothing seems to be bright, the only thing that keeps you going is hope, right? Regardless of what is life. If you have hope, you can get through the worst of the times. But people without hope, now those people die. Because if you don't have hope, what do you have? I mean, you've got $1 million and you know, you got $1 billion. But if you don't have $1 million and you're down in nothing, then hope is the only thing left. Yeah, so like they say, we are pre-rich. You're not poor. And people who say we are pre-rich, that's the mentality you should have. We are pre-rich. We're always pre-rich. Ooh. Such a boring moves. You know what? We should actually stream these, you know, trading streams early in the day, like right after, you know, after the daily close, 1-2 hours after that. Like if you look over here on the daily, right? This consolidate over here, but if you look at a 1 hourly time frame, where is the daily close? This was the daily close, or maybe it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. That's the daily close. And over here, next one. Yeah, around midday. Around midday start pumping up here. So around like 9-10 or something like that. This actually started with the dumping at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just continue. But by the time, you know, you get to close to the end of the day, like the right after right after the daily close and right below the right before the daily close, they're actually bad times to trade. Right now we got you know, next daily close over here. Why can I put the line? Oh, there is line. So, you know, these are actually bad times to trade. And we are always trading in these times. Over here. Right? But it looks like the best times to trade is actually between the daily close. Over here it was actually good, you know, right after the close it went down. But yeah, around 10, 11, you know, something, you know, there is a lot more, you know, there is movement, you know, over here in mid part, at least. Next year candle will reverse probably. On Bitcoin, I don't think so, man. Oh, look at that, we bounced a little bit, and then we open the chart and then we go down again. Oh man, let's not look at the chart then. Yearly candle, let's go to this one over here, switch to the monthly, 12 months. Now we gotta, you know, technically speaking, we got 3 green candles in a row, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you have this one candle down here, right? 1, 1, 1. Maybe this time there are gonna be 2 red candles, you know, first time 2 red candles, because we never had, you know, 2 red candles. But you can see up here, you know, 1, 2 slowly, and over here, and then it was big one. Over here there is, you know, 1 and then a big one, and then, you know, move over here. And right now they're kind of the same size. And then we have, you know, 2 red ones. Who knows? I was looking a little bit on the chart over here, from the bottom towards the tops and stuff like that, right? But from the top towards the next, from the top to previous bottom over here, this went up 100%, 120%, but this one didn't. Gonna trace more. Mono. What's good, TLA? Alles fresh? Alles fresh. And thank you for coming. You might just witness a miracle when we get into, you know, profit area again over here, because we longed over here at the top and we went all the way down over here, almost got liquidated, and right now we're pumping up here again. Technically we didn't almost get liquidated. Where's my liquidation move? All the way down. This is the liquidation down to 0.32 or something like that. So you know, we got space to go. But we definitely are not in profit, I can tell you that right now. But bouncing nicely, I mean, it's a nice bounce. I mean, if you ask me if it's a nice bounce, I think it's a nice bounce. This over here is nice bounce. If you look at a 1 hourly time frame, it looks nice. Juicy bounce, very juicy. Unfortunately slow, but juicy. See, bounce off for that, which is nice. I don't know, this looks wrong. Maybe you should just draw these lines over here, because these lines are, you know, easy. You see something, you go like this, and, you know, stuff like that, and this actually looks bad. If you look at it like this over here, this actually looks bad. This looks like he you know, now he tried to break up here and then does this move over here. I mean, that looks bad, right? This is curving, it looks like it's gonna go down. On 1 hour looks nice. On 4 hour looks okay, but not nice. Three minutes for 15, 5 minutes up here, 2 minutes. You know what, we're gonna exit the trade. When are we gonna exit the trade? How much are we down? 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Goes down more, it's gonna be like 20 bucks. Maybe exit trade on 20 bucks. If it breaks down over here, we definitely exit the trade. Right now it looks okay so far. So we're just gonna give it a little bit of time, because if it breaks up here, breaks over here towards the upside, I mean, there's a good chance we, you know, break the resistance level over here. If. But it's curving a little bit too much. It's curving. How Bitcoin doesn't drop down like, you know, suddenly, you know, 10% or something like that. Oh, Bitcoin already did the dump. Now Bitcoin is gonna do the pump. Ooh, juicy. 5 minutes time frames. Maybe? Nah, it looks like it's gonna do the pump. Okay, it's at resistance level, but it's not quite there just yet. Man. Would I buy this on the weekly time frame? Nah, it's a little bit too high. I mean, right now it's way too high. But daily time frame. I mean, some 20 moving average. I buy the hodl. Maybe monthly time frame. Nah, a little bit too high. No pullback. Over here, let's pull back. It's doing the same thing over here. Like, look at this part over here. Isn't it the same thing? But it comes over here like this, and this comes like this over here. Okay, let's take the loss, guys. Let's take the loss because it's bad entry, right? It's bear entry. It's $10, and but hourly, man, hourly looks juicy. We got a 30-minute close right now. I mean, it looks nice. It's just these small time frames. God damn it, just small time frames. Getting, you know, but this is one time. We're taking loss. We're taking $15 loss, man. Just before, above these. Nah, I'm done. $20. It's fine. Market sell. Close. Confirm. We out. Big loss on today's trade. Unfortunately, you know, that's life. Don't want to wait more because the entry was terrible. So next time we're gonna try to get legendary entry. I'm telling you, I'm not buying anything if it's not a red candle. It needs to be red candle, juicy, with a big volume, and then we're gonna buy that. So if you need to wait 4 hours for that, we're gonna wait 4 hours. You know, but you know, eventually we're gonna get to that point. Maybe that's the way to go. But you know, this zigzag up here, if it does another move to those, like I don't want to wait, you know, what, 2 more hours. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go do stuff. Finally, I can do stuff because I've been waiting to do stuff, so I can go do stuff, and you go do stuff, and I'll see you, you know, around another time. And right now, the account is at 237. Hey, it's okay. We got more money for more entertainment next time, so that's that. Enjoy the day, guys. Enjoy the day. Bitcoin is up 4.5%, 100K. It's just chilling over here at 100K. And you know, guys, you know, it's all good and dandy. I'll see you around. Bye bye.